Whilst on our home visits, we generally educate clients around carbon monoxide poisoning. This is a gas which you can't smell, so we give advice, highlight the risks and the signs to watch out for, particularly those that have got gas boilers, wood burners, open fires. So the Priority Services Register is a free service that's offered by energy suppliers and network operators for people who might need extra support. This may be due to age, disability, mental health, or even people at home with young children under the age of 5. They can also be added to the Priority Services Register, and they get extra support or notice of planned power cuts, priority support during outages, help with reading meters and communication in accessible formats, so it's like large print or braille. And also they can ask for, particularly this is useful for those that English is not their first language, they can set a password so that they know who's calling at the door is who they are.